Welcome back to the shows. Mine. Whatever I'm calling it. I don't know. Because I still haven't posted, like, the last 8. So at some point, everybody's going to see them and go, what the hell has he been doing? Anyway, that is plaster of Paris, in case you couldn't read. And about 25 pounds of it. And I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to pour it into my molds. Let's look at this up here. Yeah. This greenhouse front face wall. And it's going to be pretty cool. That is just a flat cement panel basically. But I'm going to make a mold, put a design on it, and then cast that so that I have cool faces on my cement stuff that's going to go on the greenhouse. So, right now what I need is somewhere to actually pour those. I don't think I'm going to do it on the ground. I do think I should clean up my desk or my workbench. Anyway, if I clean all that off, I should have place to put the molds, then mix up the plaster, then pour the plaster into the molds and go from there. So, I guess that's what I'm going to do next. I won't make you watch me do it. I will play music though. Yay. Okay. There's 2 minutes of your life you'll never get back, and thank you for watching.